Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So once again I'm here with you along with a very stylish and very beautiful all new latest embroidery designs of face masks. Friends, my today's video is very inspired with Mexican style embroidery and Ukrainian style embroidery. Most of the designs are inspired by Mexican embroidery, and this is a two-in-one embroidery designs, that is hand embroidery could also be done on these patterns, and as well machine embroidery can also be done. These are very lightweight, comfortable, 24 hours protection, soft, 3 layers with inner filter pocket masks with elastic straps that are adjustable to your ears and nose wire. So these masks are a full-fledged, soft, comfortable package to you that gives you safety, and from health point of view they are very important and comfortable, and at the same time these masks are very stylish and beautiful, and they would maintain your classy and fashionable dressing sense. So I suggest you to try these at home by following these color combination. And if you are so busy or you don't know how to embroider, or you are not a fan of hand embroidery, then go for machine embroidery of these designs. So thank you so much for watching my video, and stay tuned, stay blessed. We will soon be sharing some new classy and stylish ideas related to women fashion. Until then, take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe.